Hello, Deep. Hi, nice to meet you. Here I am. Okay. And here is Jule. I'm on the sea. I make a chill day and need a day to fishing. Here you see my fishing line, and here the second fishing line. And here is great. One moment. You see, it's great. And I have two fishes fishing. Maybe in 1 hour. It's a good day, and I hope it was a great day with fishing. I hope so. And look here, it's the sea. Very, very, very nice. Many fishing men here. It's free. It's a great day. Sunshine. We have 20 Celsius. It's great. I'm drinking beer. Where's Jule? Here's Jule. Jule is happy. He's with Dad at the sea and is fishing, and she enjoy it. Okay. Okay, Deep. I show you the fish when I have and the next one, and yes, many wishes to India, and I hope you enjoy my little movie for you. Okay, see you later. Bye, Deep. Okay, here I am. Bye, my friend, my son, and I love you. Bye. Okay, see you later. So, hello Deep, I'm back. We have 15:20 hour, yes, 15, 20 past 15, and here's Jule. She's sleeping. She's tired, and at the time I have 5 fishes, and yeah, it's okay. The weather is very, very nice, and I show you the video at the evening when I go back to at home. I show you the video in your mailbox, and yes, oh, you lose awake. Okay, I hope I'm fishing any fishes, and yes, it's great. It's a very, very nice day, chill day, and yes, my beer is empty, 2 bottles, and yes, okay, it's enough, and I enjoy the day. Maybe 3 hours I was sitting here, and yes, 1 or 2 fishes minimum, or better 20. Okay, and I come back and show you the fishes. Okay, bye Deep. See you later. Bye.